أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum, Habaib. Welcome back. Today we'll be continuing our lesson from previously. We talked about the med, and today we'll continue talking about the med. Last time we said that if we saw this med on three specific letters, what would we do? We stretch it 4 to 5 seconds. So if we see it on the alif, the waw, or the ya. Otherwise, we'll read it how we know how to read it normally. So Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Let's start over here. Malaikatu. So I stretched over here, lam, because it has this sign of med. And also we see the alif right here. Ya Adamu. So there's two meds here. Even the alif is called a med, but it's a shorter med. This one over here that's horizontal is going to be double the length of an alif. It'll be two alifs. So we have over here, Ya Adamu Kabaira La ilaha illa anta. So we have two mats here, this la and illa. And we find the alif over here for illa. That's why we stretch it. Ja'uka ala. So no, this one is two, then four. Ala'i. Al-ana. So when we stretch it, we're still able to connect the letters. So we don't want to forget about that. Ba'u. Great, mashallah. Please practice that, inshallah, and we'll see you in Bismillah, ready to take on the next lesson, which is lesson 23. And we'll finish today talking about lesson 23 and practicing it. So this is also a med over here, but we want to look at something else. After the med, there will be a letter, not the alif, the one after the alif. So over here we have a lam. Over here we have a jim. I'm just going to circle these so you guys remember them, inshallah, because this is important for you to know there's some differences in terms of the length, in terms of how long our med will be. So if you remember, our med normally, you said that if we see the sign, it will be 4 to 5 seconds. Now look, if there is one of these med signs, and after it we see a shadda, so you know this little W sign. If we see that, the med will go from 5 to 6 harakat. So it'll be extremely long. So let's try this again over here. And this is a new lesson 23. It'll be longer than this one up here. So listen. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. ضالا حاجك دابة رادك دك رادك خاصة كافة بضاجهم تحاضون جان آمين ظانين ضالين الله. And that's it for today. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Remember to practice.